Here's a story you're not going to hear anywhere. The AARP has already lost thousands of members because of its support for the president's health care reform plan. They support reforming the system. And soon they may lose, AARP may lose even more members.
Still with us, Michelle Malkin, author of Culture of Corruption, and she talks about this new report that talks about the Medicare, huge profits that AARP is making, that if the House bill actually cuts Medicare by billions of dollars, AARP stands to gain. Michelle, make sense of this.
Yeah, this is quite interesting to me, and there was a GOP report analysts that have pointed out this huge disparity in how private insurers like Humana, which of course the Democrats are going after for simply communicating what might happen with Obamacare, are being treated, and the AARP. Both groups offer supplements to Medicare coverage. Humana offers a Medicare Advantage program, as do other private insurers, and there are tens of millions of seniors who are on those plans. Well, the AARP has its own special plan for Medigap supplemental coverage. And this is, of course, is to add on top of the bare bones coverage that you get from Medicare. And according to these GOP analysts, AARP has made hundreds of millions, close to $1 billion on the royalty fees from this program. And under the Democrats' plan, they would be exempted from the kinds of treatment that these private insurers are getting, and it is being characterized, not just by the GOP, by other independent analysts, as quote-unquote kickbacks.
Sure. And it is extraordinary because you got the feds coming out saying to Humana, hey, you know, you're sending stuff out to your customers saying this stuff that we say you're just trying to scare the elderly people. So you got to stop it. Effectively, it's a gag order against that company. But then you've got AARP, which stands to make hundreds of millions of dollars if healthcare reform goes through in this incarnation. And yet, does the government say, no, you can't do that? No, it's just go ahead, send the stuff to your members. Because a lot of people think that they have joined AARP, and AARP is an advocacy group for the elderly, but in fact, they're out to make money.
Yes, and this all should be transparent. Every time the AARP talks about what the Obamacare plan would or wouldn't do with regard to Medicare cuts, they should disclose this potential, if not flatly plain out, conflict of interest. Sure. And, you know, thanks to the GOP analysts, we know about this, and I think that it should cause what's left of the card-carrying membership to question whose interests the AARP are really looking after.
All right, real quick, I'll read the statement in response. Any effort to derail AARP's commitment, this is the AARP sounding off after we were asked him this, AARP's commitment to reform will not succeed. The only benefit AARP is looking for in health reform is relief for the millions of Americans who are crushed by soaring prescription drug prices, and the relief for the millions of Americans who need Medicare strengthened, period. Michelle Malkin, congratulations on the Culture of Corruption, and thanks for joining us this morning.
Thanks, guys.
All right.